Rachel this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine reporting from IMTEX India 2026 Bangalore. And today I have Srinivas sir with me from iFishing series. Hi sir, how are you?
Good, good. How are you?
I'm good, so thank you. So can you brief us about your company, how you started?
Yes. We are from Intech Additive. We are the first Indian metal 3D printing company. We started off way back in 2012 as a service bureau where we were offering services of metal parts in the India market. And gradually we thought there was a lot of gaps in the offering
Right.
from the European suppliers. And then we started to develop our own technology and software.
Right.
So now we started our own machine manufacturing around 2020, and then we started commercializing around 2021.
Right.
And we have our own product line of machines and software now. And today we are launching India's first multi-laser, which is almost 8 laser machine
That's nice.
for graduating from a prototyping machine to an actual production machine.
That's
So
nice.
this is the first day of the launch.
So congratulations for your new launch.
Thank you.
So what are the products other than this you're highlighting at this event?
Ours mainly is into additive manufacturing.
Right.
So all the products are
Right.
around that. Could it be software or the hardware? So this is the biggest one that we have, which
Right.
has a size of 450 cube.
Okay.
So 450 in X, Y, and Z as well. And this is with 8 lasers. So we have other products which are slightly smaller in size, which is the 325 by 400. And the smallest one mainly for research and academia, we have a 150 platform as well.
So what
So-
makes it like unique?
Uniqueness comes from this machine being into mainstream manufacturing.
Right.
You would usually see additive machine for design phases or some kind of bridge manufacturing,
Right.
but then full-fledged manufacturing is something which was not thought of from a additive manufacturing machine. So this changes it all. So the iFusion Infinity series gets into mainstream manufacturing. That's the biggest change.
Right.
So that was not viable earlier because the cost per part was not very attractive for them to
Right.
move from traditional manufacturing to the advanced additive manufacturing. But this machine makes it possible. So that's the biggest difference.
Right. So dealing in international markets as well?
Yes, we already have our machines being used and exported and then used in markets like Germany, Korea, Japan, Greece.
Right.
So yeah, we're already
That's
there.
really nice. So how reliable and energy efficient are the products of your company?
Yeah, the whole idea is, how do we now, when you talk to the customers, it's not about can this machine do this part? No. Now the discussions have matured. Now the
Right.
customers ask, what is the repeatability of these parts? Okay, how
Right.
reliable are these machines? What's the mean time between the MTBF? Those are the things which are being asked, which is in tune towards mature manufacturing.
Right.
So that's where our machines, it's just not producing parts, but then how repeatable are those parts? How reliable is the machine? So
Right.
that's where this machine stands out.
Right, right. So can you explain us the working of this machine?
Sure. So this additive manufacturing machine works on the principle of laser powder bed fusion.
Right.
It's called the LPBF technology.
Right.
And then here the raw material is metal powders.
Right.
So the metal powders would be in the range of 15 microns to 45 to 55 microns. That's the particle size distribution. So imagine it's powder, and then the powder is spread on a metal plate, and
Right.
then it could be between 30 to 60 microns layer thickness, and then a cross section of the actual design is transferred from the software onto the machine, and then it deposits a layer of powder on which a laser comes and melts the cross section. So
Right.
and then when that layer is completed, as the laser is melting, it also solidifies that, and then the Z goes down by that particular slice height, which is like 30 to 60, whatever you set.
Right.
And then a fresh layer of powder is added, and the part keeps growing from bottom. So that's how you see all these parts which are there,
Right.
which are built from bottom to top.
That's really nice. So where do you see your company in next 5 years?
We see that or the goal is to be in the mainstream manufacturing, where our machine sits with all the other conventional machining centers and things like that on a shop floor, and then this being a mainstream manufacturing machine. That's
Right.
where we see
Right.
in
That's really
automotive kind of demanding
That's really
segments.
nice.
Yeah.
Nice to like meet you, and thank you for giving us the time.
Thank
so
you for
much.
coming.
Thank you.
Thanks.